All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to another daily chart breakdown where I show you the ins and outs of what I'm personally doing on a day-to-day market, on a day-to-day basis in the markets. Our goal of our company and our page is to help you to get to the point where you don't need any signals, you don't need anybody else, where you can be able to become completely confident when it comes to the markets and growing your account all by yourself. If you are that person that I'm speaking about and you're looking to be able to really grow your account by yourself, go ahead and click on the like button so I know who you are. And if you want to go a little bit further, go ahead and leave a comment with your name and a little bit about your trading journey, and I can see how I can personally help you out and point you in the right direction. All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to literally I've been talking about AUDUSD, and I'm personally in this trade right now. I'm up 35 pips from here, right? I'm up 25 pips, kind of like in the middle. I got into another entry, and I'm up like 9 pips on the last entry. So it's like somewhere in this range right here. These green lines right here is where I've entered. Okay, but I just realized something. All right, and what I've also realized is it's kind of best to, just because you see a trade and you're probably right. I've learned that it's best to go ahead and also play defense and see, okay, um, this can be true, this trade that I'm in right now based upon the daily time frame, but what if, right? And this also happens when you look at the markets too much, right? So I'm letting you know, um, if you're looking at the charts all the time, there's a possibility that you're probably overthinking it. This happens all the time. But at the same time, you do have to also play defense because there's a possibility that you're not seeing something. All right. I'm not saying that this is the case right now, but I'm just putting it out there. So um, we have point A here, point B here, point C here, 50%. Right. So we have confluence all over. Now, uh, when it comes to all of this, this is based upon the daily time frame, right? Based upon the daily time frame. So when I went to the H4 time frame, um, I was just like, it's bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. That's okay. When I went to the H2 time frame, I just checked it out one more time, and then there was something that made me look at this region right here, and I was like, that looks pretty interesting. So then I went to the H1 time frame, and then I saw this right here where it was like boom, 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 right? And we have the same thing. It's like boom, 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 right? I'm like, yo, what if this can actually continue? But I was like, I don't really know. Like, let's see. So I pulled out my fibs, and I pulled out from point A, point B, point C, 61.8, went straight to negative 27%, right? And then this right here, point A, point B, right here. So point A, point B, 78.6 went straight to negative 61.8. Cool. All right, we have point A, point B, point A, point B, 38.2 went straight to negative 27%. Beautiful. So now that I'm looking at this, I put the fibs over here. We have point A, point B. Right now we're at this 50% area. We've gone ahead and broken many levels of support. This is great. And let's see how many moves this is. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the way that it usually works is it moves in 5, right? In waves of 5. So I'm like, man, that would be unfortunate if there's a fifth one. Because now when you look, we have point A, point B, point C, wherever it's going to be. Negative 27% correlates with this 61.8. But we have our 50% in confluence with our H4 key level. Right? So I'm still in my trade. I'm still up. I have 3 different positions. I'm in profit on all of them. 35 pips, 24 pips, and 10 pips. So I'm up. No matter what, I'll make money on this. But um, that's why it's good to. It's okay to look at your analysis and also look at it in the opposite way and ask yourself, am I fixed on this, or can I also look at it in the other way, to see, is there a possibility that it could be the complete opposite, right? But when doing that, that's when you tend to doubt yourself and doubt what you're personally doing. But you have to see where there more uh, where is there more confluence in what you have going on. And it's been a downtrend for a while now. We have confluence with the 50% and our H4 key level, but we do have to take into the account the fact that there is a possibility it could keep on pushing. But we have many levels of confluence when it comes to the daily time frame. We have this nice trend line where price is being held down, right? And every time that we have this right here, where it's 1, 2, 3, then we have this push, right? And we have the same thing, 1, 2, 3. And I'm guessing the continuation right there. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there that, hey, listen, just because you have an analysis, it's okay to look at the opposite and see how does that flow as well, right? So I was just looking at the charts, and I just wanted to come on and put that out there, okay? So at any point in time that you see something, you realize, hey, I don't really understand this particular part. Go ahead and leave a comment, and leave as many comments as you can. I want in the comment section to be like a conversation, where we could be able to follow the markets together as we're doing this, because this trading stuff is a journey. And I'll put it to you like this, the only way that you can be able to get good at trading is by trading, right? And that's why I think trading it can be so difficult, because the thing is, you're gonna lose a lot in the beginning, and that's okay. I'm not saying you're going to lose a lot, but in the process of learning, you're going to lose. And if you allow yourself to just keep coming back and keep coming back, but also learning from your losses over time, you'll start recognizing, okay, this happened to me before. Let me do something a little different, right? And you'll see over time you'll start growing. But as long as you just got to come back. And the thing about trading is, the only way to grow is by coming back. And the only way to come back is actually by getting into a trade and just keep on trying. So if you know someone that's looking to be able to start trading on their own, and they're getting signals and stuff like that, if anything, share. Like, there's a button right below. Click on the share button and send it to them right now, because I wouldn't be surprised if they watch this and stay active and keep on watching us. Over time, it could be able to help them out. All right, so go ahead and click on the on the share button right now, and then go ahead and just send it over to them. And I'm pretty sure it could be able to help them out. All right, really, really excited to be able to continue to grow with you guys. And in order to be able to get access to our videos right away, literally right when they come out, if you click on the subscribe button, there's a button that says subscribe, right? If you click on that, there's going to be a bell right next to it. When you click on that bell, your phone will automatically notify you when a new video comes out. All right, so if anything, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, then on the bell, and we'll go on from there, guys. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm still bearish on this. I'm still gonna stay in this trade, but I'm gonna look at it a little harder to see, okay, is there when I go to the lower time frames, is there breaks the structure coming back up as far as like making higher highs. If I see another higher high, I'm gonna have to probably cut it, right? But for now, we're looking pretty good. If I go to the M30 time frame, I'll see the fact that this is technically a low in some form, and we have multiple bearish candles that are closing below this area right here. Once we have a bearish candle to close below here, I'll go ahead and feel way more confident in what we have going on once we have a bearish candle to close under there. But again, we have we have multiple bearish candles that have closed under this area right here, and that looks good. But other than that, I think we should be fine. I think we should be fine. But like I said, keep your eyes out because you never know. This game can really mess with you over time. All right, but yeah, greatly appreciate your time, guys. Get on to the next video that's going to come on tomorrow. If anything, there's going to be a couple videos to your right that you can be able to check out as well. All right, so go ahead and click on those. Peace.